Hi everyone! Are you looking for a non-stop shop for your welding needs? You found the right place. From machine, parts, and accessories, nandito yan sa KDG Tools. Let me introduce to you our welding accessories. Want to know more? Please keep on watching!
All our welding parts and accessories offers durability and guaranteed to its high quality possible. For eyes and face protection, you should always choose the right welding helmet. We offer different types of welding helmet or mask to suit your needs. Welding gloves prevents injuries from heat and stray sparks. Always choose the high quality ones. These welding arm sleeves protects the upper torso from flames or sparks that can be encountered during welding. Welding aprons cover the front of the worker from the chest to the knee or below, usually made from leather materials that resist burning and melting. We also offer two types of apron, the reflective and regular leather. KDG Tools also offers other welding supplies like welding holder, earth clamp, and welding rods. Your safety has always been our priority. That is why we only choose the right products for your welding needs. High quality to improve productivity.
Here at KDG Tools, we have all the right welding products just for you. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na! Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you our next video!